How to lock Google Keep Notes. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to lock Google Keep Notes. So first thing, just head over to your Google Keep Notes, and before we get started we have to check if the Google Keep Notes has provided that feature or not. So just long press on any one of the notes given inside your Google Keep Notes or which you have created, and just tap on this three dot icon over here, and as you can see there is no any option which says lock, which is available to lock your Google Keep Notes. So you can apply another option, that is just click on this and you can actually archive, which will basically hide your note, but it's not completely secure and it's not completely locked. So in some mobile devices your lock feature can be supported in the settings. So all you have to do is just head over to your settings and just click on search and just search in for app lock. So as you can see, since my mobile doesn't support app lock, I can't do anything regardless of it. But if your application or settings, your mobile settings supports app lock, then you can just simply lock any app and keep that note inside that app secure. So that is exactly how you can lock your Google Keep Notes. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.